Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is presenting something Japanese. Present has two pronunciations and two meanings. Present is 発表する. Present is a gift. Okay, let's repeat. 繰り返してね。発表するは present. Present. And プレゼントは present. Present. Okay, let's begin with presenting something Japanese. Choose something Japanese and present it to the class. And why do you like it? Okay, here's an example. The first example is tea ceremony. Okay, let's look at example 1. Number 1. Repeat. What is Japanese tea ceremony? Okay, here's an example answer. Please repeat. 繰り返してください. Japanese tea ceremony is a performance. Or presentation of making matcha green tea. Japanese sweets are also served. To balance the bitter taste of the tea. Okay, let's try again. Japanese sweets are also served to balance the bitter taste of the tea. By the way, bitter means nigai. Okay, next we'll talk about kimono or yukata. Okay, first, let's say these words. Wedding. Wedding. Graduation ceremony. Graduation ceremony. Okay, let's look at number 2. Repeat. What is kimono? Or what is yukata? Or another question we can make is, can you say this in English? What's the difference between a kimono and a yukata? Okay, please repeat. What's the difference between a kimono and a yukata? Okay, let's repeat the answer in number 2. Please repeat. 繰り返してくださいね. Kimono is traditional Japanese clothing. That we wear on formal occasions. Such as weddings or graduation ceremonies. Kimono are sometimes made of silk. And are more expensive than yukata. Yukata are more casual. and usually made of cotton. Okay, the next example will be kendo. Let's look at some examples. Okay, number 3. What is kendo? Okay, let's repeat. 繰り返してください. Kendo is Japanese fencing. Which uses wooden bamboo swords called shinai. And protective armor called bogu. My school has a kendo club. And I am a member. Okay, then you can talk about why you like kendo. So you can say, I like kendo because, and give the reason. Okay, another example of something Japanese is Japanese New Year. Japanese New Year has many Japanese things, such as temples, shrines, omikuji, osechi ryori. There are many things we can talk about. First, let's ask this question. What is Japanese New Year like? Here's another question. Repeat. How do you celebrate New Year in Japan? Okay, let's look at question number 4. And let's repeat. What is Japanese New Year like? Or, how do you celebrate New Year in Japan? My family watches a Japanese New Year's TV program called Kohaku. That has many famous singers. Next, we visit a temple or shrine. Where we pray for good health. And get a New Year's fortune. We eat special New Year's food which my grandmother makes. Last year, I went to a hot spring with my family. Where we watched the first sunrise of the new year. Okay, next. My mother and I go to a department store. And we buy a lucky grab bag. Another topic we can talk about is Japanese food. Okay, first, let's learn these two words. Please repeat. 繰り返してね。Fermented. Fermented. Soybeans. Soybeans. Another word is mustard or Japanese mustard. Okay, here's another word, soy sauce. Okay, repeat, soy sauce. Okay, now let's look at number 5. Repeat the question. Tell me about some Japanese foods. How are they made? Okay, let's repeat. Natto is fermented soybeans that we mix with mustard and soy sauce. And eat on rice. Or you can say, and eat with rice. Okay, some other Japanese foods that we can describe are ozoni, or maybe chirashi sushi. Okay, here's another example. Ozoni is a soup that we make for New Year's Day. Which has chicken, spinach. Spinach is horenso. Daikon radish, carrots, and rice cake. Or you can say mochi, which is rice cake. Okay, next is chirashi sushi. So let's repeat. Chirashi sushi is a kind of sushi that we usually make at home. Okay, here's a useful expression. It has in it. It has something in it. For example, it has spinach and carrots in it. Okay, let's repeat. 繰り返してね。It has spinach and carrots in it. Okay, let's repeat this word. Ingredients. Ingredients. Here's another question. What are the ingredients of ozoni? Repeat. What are the ingredients of ozoni? And then you can answer like this. It has something in it. For example, it has chicken, spinach, carrots, daikon radish, yuzu, and mochi in it. Another way to say it is, it's made with. Let's repeat. It's made with. For example, it's made with carrots and spinach and chicken. Okay, here's another example. What are the ingredients of chirashi sushi? Okay, here are some words. Let's repeat. Vinegar. Vinegar. raw fish, raw fish. Salmon roe, salmon roe. Shrimp, shrimp. Okay, for example, we can answer, it's made with rice, vinegar, raw fish, salmon roe, egg, nori, and shrimp. Okay, so your homework is to tell me about something Japanese and also, if you can, why you like it. So tell me about something Japanese and why you like it. And here are some ideas of things that are Japanese. You can talk about Buddhist temples in Japan, or a Japanese festival such as the Awa Odori Festival, or Kyudo, which is Japanese archery, or maybe Japanese sweets. So please think of something Japanese and please present it. I'm looking forward to your answer. Okay, see you later. Bye.